Hello, loves. Welcome back to my space. Today we're making this beautiful handkerchief gown. It's very simple tutorial. It's something you can make within 10 to 15 minutes. So if you're interested in something like this, stick around as we begin the tutorial proper. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. Please help me subscribe, like, comment, and share my video if you find it very useful. Thank you so much. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. So, first of all, you fold your fabric into four. I am using a soft crepe and I use 2 yards for this tutorial. So, if you want to use longer, you have to use more than 2 yards of fabric. My scissors, my chalk, and my tape. And my fabric is folded into four, as I said earlier. It is folded into four, like this. So you're going to mark your neckline. I used 3 inches wide and the length of the fabric is 35. For the width of the neckline, I used 3.5 inches. For the depth of the front, I used 3 inches, while the depth of the back, I use 1.5 inches. So depending on the neckline you want, you can use a V neckline for the front, or you can just use the normal round neck that I use, depending on what you want. So I'll just mark it out like this. Mark it out. Then my shoulder measurement divided by 2 is 8 inches, but I marked out 9 because I'm going to fold it inside. So I'm going to use 1 inch to fold inside. From there, I'm going to come down by your 1 inch for your shoulder slope. Mark it out. After that, you come down by your armhole depth, which is your bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. Mine is 9 inches. I marked it out and I just drew a straight line like this to meet that point. After that, you're going to measure your, on that line that you just drew, your bust measurement divided by 4 plus extra inches, depending on how wide you want it to be. I added 4 extra inches to mine. So my bust divided by 4 is 10. And I added 4 extra inches, depending on how big you want yours to be. From there, I come down by, I marked the half of the armhole measurement. Then I just create a curve like this to meet that line, just to create your armhole curve. Like this. I'm sorry, my chalk is very faint in this video. So when I was editing, I noticed. So I'll go down by my my shoulder to waist measurement, which is 17. You mark it out like this. Then from there, your bust measurement that I took, you're just going to draw a curve like this. I am very sorry, the chalk is not even showing at all in this video. Just like this. It's a very simple thing to do. If you follow me, you understand. You just draw a curve like that. If I cut it out, you see how it looks like. I'm sorry, the chalk is faint. Then you just go ahead and cut it out. You first cut the back, cut out your shoulder slope and every other thing. See how the curve is like. So just get a curve like that, and that's all about the cutting of this handkerchief gown. So you're just going to put the right side facing each other, and then you just hem around where you're supposed to hem around. You can use a bias to turn the neckline, or you just fold it in. For me, I just folded mine in. The armhole also, you have to fold it in, or use a bias. I did not have a bias of this color when I was doing this tutorial, so I just folded it in. So you just turn it like that. with a bias, or you just fold it in. Do the same thing for the armhole. Then you see that from that your bust to that curve, you stitch it around, but you not stitch the other side. That place is going to be open. So after I folded it in, this is what it looks like. You can see I folded in the armhole, and I already used 1 inch to stitch around that curve. As I told you earlier, that place is left open, so you're just going to fold it in from one point to another. You do the same thing for the other side too, and you just fold in the bottom of your gown. But I ended up adding an extra fabric to mine because it was too short for me. So if your length is okay, you don't need to add extra fabric to it, so you just fold it in. That place is going to be open. You just fold it in and hem it. You're not going to stitch it down. That place is going to be open. So if you have watched to this point, please help me subscribe, like, comment, and share my video if this was useful to you. So I'm trying to explain it over again. That place is going to be open, right? So you're just going to hem it. You fold it like twice and hem it all the way around. You're not going to stitch it down. It's going to be open. You do the same thing for the other side, and that was just going to be all for this gown. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please help me like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. You can see the side is open. It's not folded in. You just hem it inside, but you will not stitch it around. It's open. So this is how to make a simple handkerchief gown. Thank you very much for watching to this point. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Bye.